Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is Friday. Woo! It is the final Friday of the school year. My good things for today are Georgia and Greta and funny teacher memes like this one and this one and Starbucks and the original Willy Wonka, right, Bugs? The original Willy Wonka. All right, be gone. Go. Thank you for your help. Some good things from yesterday's attendance form. Friday Eve. Yes, yesterday was Friday Eve. Today is actually Friday, even better. Cat music. Apparently there is actually music designed and created for cats. Apparently it includes feeding noises. The song Best Part. I'm not familiar with that song. Teachers. Thank you, Hannah. Summer, absolutely. Mayonnaise in a banana costume, I have no idea what that even means. Walks, Need for Speed, I think that's a computer game. Fixing your computer, pigs, online dance classes, and salted caramel ice cream. So, those are awesome good things. Here's a new meme. This video is for both my core classes and for my AVID classes because I really don't have any lessons or anything to tell you today other than have a great weekend. Core kids, finish up your Outsiders everything. And AVID kids, if you have not yet submitted your virtual career day assignment, submit that, well, yesterday. And also make sure that you've watched the online etiquette one that I sent you yesterday. And that's all I have to say, other than these cool, funny teacher memes. Oh, and this is my dot art. Yeah, if you want a grade, you should have put your name on it. Anyway, so have a fantastic weekend to each and every one of you. There are only 3 days of school left? Is that right? I think there are only 3 days of school left after today, so maybe 4 days if you count today. And stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.